All right, so here we're going to start today with talking about how to take something that you have on Instagram, an Instagram post, and put it over on Pinterest to lead more traffic to your Instagram account. And obviously, you don't want to waste a post just on Instagram. You want to make sure that you have all kinds of traffic leading from that one post you took so long to make and really putting it onto other social media platforms. So that's what we're talking about today. We're going to take an Instagram post and put it on Pinterest. So you are going to pick some kind of content that you want to go over there. You know, quotes are really, really big on Pinterest. So you can put a quote or an IGTV video, whatever you'd like. But we're going to go ahead and go with this one. So if you click on the post and you hit this little arrow, you can copy link. And then we're going to go over to Pinterest and I'm going to show you how to upload this. So if you click on this little add button and then create pin and then save from site, copy, and then you want to paste that that you copied and hit the arrow. You're going to click on this because that's telling Pinterest that's the graphic you want to use. You're going to add to pin, and then you can type in anything that you want. You can type in powerful quotes, and now you're going to pick a board. So publish. All right. So here's what happens when you publish that. When someone sees your pen, they're going to see this. If they click on it, it's going to actually take them to your Instagram account. And then, you know, hopefully from there you get some likes, you get some loves, you get some shares even. They can share this to their Facebook accounts. They can share it to their Instagram accounts. They can share it wherever they want as long as it's public. And then you can hit directly social and it'll take them right back to my original page, my home page on Instagram, and then, you know, hopefully from there they will follow you and because they like and see all of your content. So that's the whole thing, is taking something and using it on a different platform but leading them back to your Instagram account so that they will see more information about you. Hopefully click on your link tree and you'll get all kinds of business from taking one post and putting it on multiple platforms.